let's talk about how we can change ourselves, right? And why it is important so. See, only you are the one who can change your lifestyle. Please understand this. I don't know why people are thinking that someone will come and they can change their lifestyle. Some miracle will happen in future and then they're going to be happy. No brother, it's not true. Only you can able to change your lifestyle. And what happen if you make yourself in such a manner that any situation you can tackling it, any situation you are so wondrous into it, right? And I'm sharing a lot of laws about this stuff. And today I also bring up a new one, and it's I already observed it and it's really working, right? So for those of you who are not able to following a single concept, there are a lot of multiple concepts to follow yourself and change yourself, right? The main thing is that doesn't matter what the situation gets, we have to be understand that there's a laws working throughout the day, the universal laws, and we need to understand. And now I'm gonna discuss about the single law, that is the law of upfront memory, right? That's what I observed. See, have you seen that whenever you watch any kind of great movie, you feel slightly change in your behavior, right? Just back in childhood, you just think out, you used to watch any kind of karate movie. You have the craze to become like those, right? Just, I know I'm damn sure if you watch the Ravan movie, if you watch the Krish movie in India, you want to become like that. And the same as in the Marvel movies, considering the Spider-Man, right? We all want to do the same, and the same goes in the future also, but a little bit. But the impact of the childhood is going to be decreases in future, right? In adulthood, but still we won't be like that. Now, why it happens? After watching movie, why we want to become like those? See, your mind always process the memory 24 hours each and every time, right? If you are able to master over it, you can create the things. But right now you're not able to mastering over it. So let's consider how our mind make these memories and why it's important. So see, around you, if you really want to understand surroundings, right? So you need to filter the memory. You have the memory in your mindset that the shape is called the bottle, right? So your minds get this in your mind, in your data collection, and it starts processing out of it what the shape called, why it is important, so what the bottle and what we can do with this bottle. It happens in a fraction of second, right? It happens fraction of seconds. You can say a milli-billionth of second. A very fast processing goes on, and when it goes on, it understands the surroundings. Not even the case of bottle, everything around you, it understands it very well, and it is very crucial factor. That's why memory processing goes throughout the day. And now here's the fact. Here's the law comes. The law of upfront memory. It means you gather the memory for a certain period of time and you act accordingly, right? Suppose you go for the examination and there at that time the examiner tells you that what not to do. It tells you small things to follow along with the examination, like don't go for the water, don't go to the toilet, maybe some kind of rules, right? And you have to follow it in that particular examination. So in that examination, we can say it that laws and rule is called as upfront memory, because they are going to working on a short period of time. And a similar concept goes on throughout the day. If you have something and you gather the data, but the data is gathered is not going to be permanent. That's why you forgot the stuff, right? The second law is working accordingly, the law of deletion. Now here we consider about two things, that throughout the day the two things, first thing is working the law of memory, upfront memory, and along with the law of deletion. Why it is important? So see, you gather a lot of data throughout the day, what you wear, what to talk, right, what you see. There's a lot of data goes on inside your mind. Your mind processes continuously the data, right? And what happens if we don't delete the data? I think you get it what I want to say. That if it connects or collects a lot of data throughout the day without deleting them, it's going to be bewildered about the stuff, because there are a lot of data collected over there. So the main thing is going on. So your deletion follows always. So no matter how much great movie you see, after a certain period of time, you forgot most likely 80% of it. No matter how great a book read, okay, after a certain period of time, you forgot 80% of it. So what we can do in that factor? See, changing yourself according to this law is quite easy, right? You just need to understand that every time whatever you're doing, it makes a memory on your mind and it creates impact. Whether you're watching a right kind of movie or you're watching a dull kind of movie, they both impact the same way in our mindset. Whether you're talking great, whether you're talking dull, they both impact the same way in mindset, right? Same means the same intensity. If you want to talk great, the intensity goes on the same. If you want to talk dull, the intensity goes on the same. So make sure that whatever you're doing right now, the memory collected by those actions is going to be great. Suppose if you have option to watch two movies, the first one is like documentary of any stuff, second is just fiction. Right? I think that your documentary helps a lot because documentary directly related to real life and you can relate something to it and you can make profit out of it, some benefit out of it. So make sure that you choose the documentary over the fiction, because right now the memory collected by the documentary is essential for you, right? So throughout the day, when you understand this concept and see the surrounding, that whatever you're doing right now, it makes certain kind of memory inside your mind, and the memory is called upfront memory. It is for short period of time, right? But when this short period of time goes on, suppose you watch good movies, suppose you read good movies daily and daily, read books daily and daily, so after certain period of time your upfront memory starts changes, right? Because now mind understand that don't delete the data, please brother, don't delete the data. The data is so important because the person is likely to collect the data over and over each and every day. So make sure that don't delete this data. That's why if you read something, you might never forget it, right? If you read something daily and daily, every single stuff, because now it understands that is important, don't delete it. That's the second law never comes into it, that's the law of deletion. Okay, so that's it for today. For changing yourself, let me give a small sum up. First thing is that throughout the day, doesn't matter what happens, you always collect the memory, and only you are able to change yourself, no other will come. That's why you need to change yourself in manner, so whenever situation gets hard, you are able to easily come out of it, right? So for this, you have your mind follows the two things: the law of upfront memory and the law of deletions. Whatever you see, it makes certain kind of memory, and after a certain period of time it deletes the data. So make sure that whatever you see, it impacts on your mindset. So impact must be grateful, right? So just do the stuff which impact your mind in a positive manner, in a great manner, and after a certain period of time, I'm damn sure you can see the change, and change is going to be fabulous. So that's it for today. Meet you next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.